The rice is now ready. As you see, it's cooked so well. Now I want to cook this meat. This is meat I'm frying, and I've already added in onions. Now I want to add some garlic and ginger and green pepper. Then I'll later add in tomatoes. I'm gonna be adding in some soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce. This smells so nice. It smells so sweet. Then I'm gonna be adding in this oregano leaves, just a tiny bit of it. Oregano smells so good. I love its smell, so I have to add it. That smells so good. Now my meat is ready. I just need to add in some little water for the soup, and that is it. I'm gonna let it boil just a little while, then it's ready. This is cabbage, guys, and I want to make salad, cabbage salad. First, I'm adding in water because I won't be steaming the cabbage, so I'm adding, this is what, hot water to make the cabbage soft. This is the salad after steaming. No, adding hot water to the cabbage, that's just like steaming. Then now I've added in carrots, onions, and coriander. Now it's time to add in some salt. I forgot to put in salt. Then give that a good mix. I've mixed it well. Now I want to add in some black pepper. That's enough. Mix. Then for the dressing, I'm gonna be using this. I'll put half of it. Is that half? Then I'm gonna give this a very good mix. Mix. This is the final. The salad is ready, and I added in some honey to make it a little bit sweet.